The M1915, small, industrial, modern, chambered in 9mm Glisenti, not as powerful as German 9mm, but controllable. Blowback operated, 8 rounds, single action, and that open-top slide. A design choice that would define Beretta for the next century. In the Alps, Italian officers carried it through snow and artillery. In the trenches, it became a last line of defense, close range, fast draw, quick fire. It wasn't perfect. Extraction issues, fragile ammunition. Too much pressure, and steel could crack. But it worked. And that was enough. From the Isonzo River to brutal mountain warfare, the M1915 proved Italy could build modern firearms. After the war, it evolved into the M1917, then the M1934. The DNA stayed the same. Open slide, compact power, before NATO contracts, before the M9,